joining because honestly, it's been a yearly tradition to join World Trade because of the organizers. And honestly, it's for charity, so we keep on joining. And I hope that we continue on doing this every single year.
Sobrang saya po. Actually, this is the first time po na manalo po kami.
Even though marami po kaming schedule conflicts, thank you po na it paid off.
We keep joining the World Bazaar Festival because we want to show our loyalty. And through the years, we see how it develops each year. New events, new booths, and it has been very fun joining.
Masaya kasi hindi ko akalain na 25 years na pala kaming nagjo-join sa World Bazaar Festival.